Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're making chicken Manchurian, so let's note the ingredients. We'll need 1 chopped onion, 1 small carrot sliced, 1 capsicum chopped, and 1 green onion chopped. For the chicken we'll need 1 tablespoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of paprika, 1 tablespoon of black pepper, 3 tablespoons of milk, 1 egg, half cup of flour, and 250 grams of chicken cut into cubes. For the Manchurian sauce mixture, we'll need 1 tablespoon of vinegar, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, and 1 tablespoon of tomato sauce. We'll also need 2 cloves finely chopped, 1 tablespoon of salt, and 1 teaspoon of black pepper. We'll also need half cup of water and 1 tablespoon of corn flour. First of all, in a mixing bowl, we'll add chicken, egg, milk, salt, paprika and black pepper and mix it together. Then we'll add flour and give it a final mix. Now we'll deep fry them until they're golden brown and then drain the excess oil. Now in a pan on medium heat, add oil, then add chopped garlic, and then fry this for a minute. Now we'll stir fry onion, carrots and capsicum for a minute. Now add salt and pepper and give it a mix. At this point, we'll add our sauce mixture and then let it cook for a minute or two. At this point, we'll add our fried chicken and give it a good mix. At this point, we'll add our water and corn flour mixture and then let it cook for another 2 to 3 minutes. Finally, add the green onions and it's done. I hope you like the recipe. If you do, please give it a thumbs up. Follow me on my Instagram. Click here for my last video and here for a random video. Subscribe to my channel. Have a lovely day and like always, thanks for watching.